Hi and welcome to this short video where we'll take you through the pairing and the setting of an R1725 Louvolite motor. On the handset, firstly we will select the channel we wish to set the blind to. Remove the battery cover from the back of the remote, revealing the P2 buttons. On the motor, press the setting button on the end of the motor until the motor jogs up and down once. On the handset, press the P2 button, then the P2 button, then the up button. The motor will jog and bleep. The blind is now paired to the handset. If we press the up button, the blind is going down, so we need to reverse the motor. On the setting button, we will press the setting button until the blind jogs up and down once, twice. The blind has now been reversed. To set the limits on the motor, we're going to press the P2 button, then the up button, then the P2 button. The blind is now in the limit setting mode. We'll press the up button. When the blind gets close to the top, we'll press the P2 button. When we're happy with the position, press stop and then press and hold stop until the blind jogs. Press the down button. When the blind gets close to the bottom, we will press the P2 button. The blind will go into a slow jog. When we're happy with the position, press stop and then press and hold stop and the blind will jog to confirm. To set a third position, take the blind to the position you require for your third position. Press the P2 button, then the stop button, then the stop button. With one press and hold of the stop button, the blind will now go to that third position. Thank you for watching this short video.